Big boost for the tourism sector na Sierra Leone. But 700 tourists them from 80 countries them for parade na Sierra Leone few days from now.
This and plenty other things and days inside the program for you. No go non side. When they come back gist now.
Welcome back to the usual program, Weird. Before we enter to today's program, we will let for wish we viewers them happy Valentine's Day to them all.
Yes, we get love for una. Una very much important to we. That make we get one love for una. One heart for everybody. And we expect say this one love we will share with una so on this Valentine's Day go be the love where we go always share amongst ourselves now we are, because this is very important. But you know say especially with teenagers them, this day now they can use for seize advantage for them. Now on this day, Valentine's Day, they can deflower. In other words, they can vaginate plenty young girls them. So please, we get an advice for we young girls them.
This Valentine's Day, Boku Konga and they left them picking them for go on various programs them. Now due to them things there, some of the brothers them, as my brother they talk now, they take advantage by them pick here, we call it inside host and do something they also supposed to do to them. Mind you, now we picking them, now we sister them. No look underage and go do and bad, take advantage of any situation.
And you get from no still law they rights now where they protect them with young girls them here soon. Remember oh, with First Lady Fatima Biode, they watch a good for la area. Remember, caretaker says we don't support. You know, we First Lady say anybody we put tamper on that age. You see that happen?
They go down. They go rest.
So they are finally enjoy and continue for enjoy. And one other thing, on this day, we young boys there can they run after the young ladies then. Then remember say when something happen, Beleka inside. Now the game they change. The young girls then they begin for run after
The young
boys there for take up the responsibility. So you see,
really
yeah, we know when you don't want forget responsibility at this stage. Know what you they do. For the one them we don't mature small bit. Do ya if you no one forget you girlfriend for leg belly, use condom or avoid them totally. The gift them can find out, but the problem behind the gift them we not go ahead and read God body sleep.
No, but there's still only takes for go give that depot injection where they didn't have the lady in system for 3 months. Today, you know later, but not say after Valentine's go girls or something don't come inside no problem.
Yeah, prevention day, you know, if you don't have belly unwanted pregnancy is very bad. And please, not only for belly. We young boys and girls then we get to be very careful because sick than they right now.
So many.
Consult with your medical practitioner, your doctor, your nurse. Let them explain to you what you for do for prevent yourself. We not on medical people, but we just want to make unable for no say apart from the belly, sick than they. So you know finally use this one green day for enjoy, and the next minute you begin for the cry because of you don't catch sick. Do ya? We dey beg una. Valentine Day na for enjoy, but Valentine Day you for use your brain. Yeah, not just go because you want for use your advantage. Say this na Valentine Day.
Okay, this na just short advice for brothers and sisters. Valentine's Day na one green day inside the year. Now we jump to very important things. Them we get for do, but me and you now we are
a very big boost for the tourism sector inside Riyadh. But by the way, before we talk about this issue, let's hear about the individual within this tourism ministry. And this woman, for me, I consider her as one of the hardworking women them inside Riyadh as minister.
Okay.
This now simply for tell you say, what a man can do, woman can do better.
As well.
Not as well, better.
Okay.
This woman na Indian champion the tourism ministry, which in good work man them way again at the ministry. They don't the lobby to different people them. Now this night I expect of the other ministries them. Instead of we they allow we caretaker for the fly the board all side, the minister them and their ambassador for take up their responsibility and perform the duties them. This woman here done the work in a different country, then different events them for able for talk to people them, for let them see Salone as a very conducive tourist destination. And indeed, but 700 people them from 80 countries them now the world, they come inside Salone. Any minute from now, within the next 2 days, then they come inside Salone. For can able for see how Salone turn, mix with Sierra Leoneans them, go na hotel them, lodge with local people them, and work on the streets them of Freetown for see how Salone day. Then the worker from Parmalab from the Guinea. Take an inside we are. I want make we listen to this woman here, so the tourism minister, Dr. Memona Toprat, as he been talk to SLBC concerning this event.
If we do it well, I'm told every 2 years there will be the destination and the rally. You know how much good it will bring, you know how much foreign exchange, you know how much hotels are going to get money, you know how much bars are going to sell for the next 1 week, you know how much entertainment, how much food, how much whatever. And this brings foreign exchange down. It increases the money that is flowing in the private sector.
Indeed. You see, if they talk about the way how the small, the small business people and get for benefits from this, the hotels them and other things, then a very good thing.
But not to that no more. The thing where they puzzle me in this visit where then tourists they visit the country Sierra Leone. Oh yes, people and the benefits, the traders and the benefits, and a very good initiative for the country. Now a big try for the tourism industry. But me and God, where I get to them people there. Waiting the government they put in place as let people they enter now the country. Waiting that they put in place into the medical facility, because as we all know, the virus we don't do right now, where they destroy plenty people there.
Now a very good point you touch on, so. And now we get about 700 people them from 80 different countries them in the world where will come inside Salone. But the ministry, the tourism ministry, then take this into consideration. Let me listen, waiting and talk about this particular thing where the measures that we put in place for this coronavirus.
Types of security arrangements are now on the way, and assessment will be done on site, and other necessary action will be taken to ensure that we do not have any child issue, as this is a big test case for Sierra Leone. In terms of the accommodation, some of them book their accommodation voluntarily or by themselves. We did that online, and some of them went to visit Sierra Leone. We talk working to organize this event, and we have also put modalities in place to work with the Ministry of Health to ensure that they are tested once they enter border. And as some of you are aware, they will be entering through Parmalab and also through Padina.
Okay, we don't hear you two now talk for how we are able to work with the Ministry of Health, but I don't feel say this enough. Because of the way how they take for develop. Now fact say them people are not to China, then they come out. Now different countries them. But we don't know who that them people are interact with before they come our country. So how we able to detect who that get sick, who that bring a come? Of course we know they pray for them. We all dey pray for let this sick not ever enter our country, because a similar sick of like Ebola, we see what it cause in our country. But as this thing don't be now, to me, I feel say this not important for now because of this virus when they pass around. The tourism department for not able to wait after we know how we able counter this virus now the whole world before ever we allow visitors them from another country. It doesn't mean they get a no, we not say so, but we don't know, as I said earlier, who that and who that them people are don't able to mingle with or interact with. We will get this virus, and this virus not a show like Ebola. It go there inside somebody, when I go talk, when I rub skin, you know they get notice of them.
Yeah, because this virus cells are the day you big, still it look very healthy. But we know they say again, not a good thing. Madam Minister, we appreciate your effort so much. But the question is about the capacity of we country for handle anything of such nature. You know, we know what they happen, we know they pray and not go happen. But we just try to be very cautious about things the way they happen. You know, then kind of guardian they are so. You know, it's fine for we because it boosts the tourism sector and they send good signals say we don't ready for accept people in of all background. But we afraid for this kind of thing here so where they out right now. We still feel say it's good for we country, but we forbid always small. I don't know what you not think. We know the politicize them, we know what they person mix up with politics. Because we know but corona now we constantly don't know about them. But it happened and it didn't world. Country that we advance past, we don't experience them. We not go experience them by the power of God. But we are not to buy magic for letting it not happen. Now by waiting with the put in place. So there with the beg. If we don't agree now, say them for calm, let we be very vigilant. 700 people there, we not get them staff them, the medical staff them they for able for monitor them all at once.
No.
We're not able.
No.
But still, we pray that nothing will happen. But notwithstanding that, now a good initiative by the minister and in team. So we still they say thank you for this kind of thing for Salone. Now we'll go into another issue where get follow with Awana to Timbo. We've been there in Kuwait. You don't get bad time in Kuwait.
Awana to Timbo now with Sierra Leone sister. Now with mama. Now with girl picking. As we all know they see what he go facing na Kuwait. Do ya? We know they tire. And we still know they tire, as I say. We still call on Una. Una the Soriat people them. Una were able to see how Botaman they suffer. Una think like na una young picking una born. Awana to Timbo in business. Usai left na de boku. Awana to Timbo for go over 21 surgeries, if I'm not lying.
21 operation then.
I stand to be corrected. So do ya, me people them. We still a call on una. For them give a help to Awana to Timbo. We're not able to get it. Waiting will make Awana to Timbo go then surgery there. And mind you, the country will find himself not go able to do this operation for his sister.
Well, plenty people then don't they come up, then they talk, say well, they go see waiting and they do. Other people say then we don't they talk to medical people in a salon for them, you know, but up to now we not able to forget what it of waiting na the tangible things the way will come out. But still, we don't tell on all thank you. The one that always don't show concern over this we sister here. So we go appreciate with the power of God if we are able to forgive something. But not tell us something. Then say 1,000 miles begin with one step. If you get 1,000 leons, if you then a salon. If you get €1, if you then a euro. If you get $1, if you then a America or any other side. If you get £1, if you then a UK or any other side. If you get anything, any side where you dey, you donate them to Awana to. It go reach them. And that day go able for the go small until we reach the amount of money we want. As it is now, we still do examination. We're not able to know the right amount, but we need plenty money. This make I go to we corporate institution in a salon. Africell, Airtel. One thing we know about Africell, then they do very good thing by helping people. You know, then they give back to the community, to the country. Africell, John Conte, the managing director for Africell. We don't see una the help. But this now one of the people in this way una for bring una help to and see how best una can able for see say this with sister Yasu get the help you want.
I see the 4 years, but the first year I did salad get but then inside the first year I lost me.
I lived in Kuwait for 4 years, and in the first year I lost my sight. It all started when I accidentally burnt my mother's clothes while ironing. She beat me up severely using all sorts of things on me. I was seriously injured on my back and everywhere on my body.
30-year-old Awanatu is not the only victim of ill treatment in Kuwait and other countries after leaving their motherland to seek greener pastures overseas. These scars on Awanatu's body, which went viral on social media, was a clear manifestation of what many have described as barbaric, inhuman and ungodly. Several of them, she told me, were promised better lives overseas. But her experience, she continued, is one that she'll never forget.
Because you know, say if you left the doors open, I run away.
I was locked in the house every day because my madam said I would run away. I received no salary there. And even though I requested talking to my relatives, I was refused.
I said because I'm not being saying I saw this happen. I'm not ever cry if I saw happen.
What does this mean to Awanatu's relatives here in Sierra Leone?
I feel bad and discouraged. I don't feel good.
I felt bad and I was discouraged too. Up till now, when I see my child, my heart bleeds. I am pleading to our mothers not to send any of their children to Kuwait. Let them be content with whatever they have.
If you're not guaranteed, it's for the manager. Let the eat.
Still, with the throw challenge to Africell and Airtel, una show we say una love Sierra Leone. And please, not all we send this speaking for one Kuwait. He go for fun in Antomot like any other person when he travel out of Salon. But it's unfortunate for them. So do ya una come and challenge we. Say una can stand up for lady speaking, get better, you know, health out of the country. Another thing, the banks them. Then other coming do ya not to buy force, not to una business, but please una help in una own little way. If una believe say this particular message for reach to them people there, una share this particular video. We display this number on the screen. This is the woman we call for make this lady go left from Kuwait. After we get a message with video we send, he come in and say this speaking for return back. And he make some calls them. Indeed, he don't return back in a salon. This na a number, and he still work with this lady here for make sure say he gets the kind of health care where he wants. So this is a number when I can contact him anytime.
As we don't have the number, this now follow we see how we be able to get with sister in life back. Though we know where we get her to how he been there, but at least where in life will be normal, small, where instead we able to mingle with una, with brothers and sisters. We know I left nobody. Even you they sell abacha. We not say on a organization then. Like when my brother say 1,500 himself, he get something for do. The Lebanese they all get. The business people they will get shot them. Please. We they call on all. Not only companies no more or bank. But we want everybody involved for rescue this with sister in life. This not the number.
Do you have with the big? And una we don't the last time we talk about money, say this they don't get and no. That money they know they go non-side. So do ya let we continue for help this with young sister. It's stressful right now and with the big. Una way they go tell Tenki, una way they go tell Osh, una way they go visit her right now like us. Salon people learn not to forget okay, go bring come. Because most time when they go race owner for go begin see. Then they go watch them. If you see body, then they beat about though. Who can tell them not in only to that point say 8. This na 10 follow we help, not to follow go to do and Kungusan. Because now that plenty people they go there for right now. We sorry if we become very, very, very bold and harsh with this particular discussion, but I think saying so for talk. We all are salon people and we know what in this mean.
Okay, the fambulem. This now waiting we self able do for we sister Awana too. I think say now in we they do so from the starting and we ready for continue for doam until we able see we sister in life become normal.
No less than that so.
Anyway, now so we take time put we issues that we'll get now basket in front of una today. Una go look and give we what you una feel now the comment section below. We still tell una thank you, una we subscribers them, we viewers them. People that we get patient for share with video to other people that we don't know what we are. Now so we take 10 left una me, na Usman Justin.
And me, na Ali Usise. Dear, let me comment on anything we think about inside this discussion. If you like the video, give it thumbs up. And not forget to share the video. Yeah. Thank you very much. And if you not subscribe it, please, it not cost you anything. Just press the subscribe button. Not stop play. Press the notification bell. So anytime we post video, you will be able to see it. Until we left again, we want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. We love una. God bless una. How did you make it? Okay. We love una.